Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Easy channel. In this video we will see how to find square root of any number. We first discuss the concept, then shortcut trick for finding square root. Before going into topic, there are some rules regarding this topic. I will try to explain it clearly. Suppose if you take any number, that number should always ends with any of these digits. Let's take the square of a number 481. 481 into 481. Here the last digit of the square of number 481 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. That is 1 square. 4. Let's take another number 489 square. 489 into 489. The square of this number ends with 1. 9 into 9, 81, that is 1. From here we can say that if the square of a number ends with 1, the square root of that number ends with either 9 or 1. If the square of a number ends with 1, the square root of that number ends with 1 or 9. If the square of a number ends with 4, the square root of that number ends with 2 or 8. If a square of a number ends with 5, the square root of that number ends with 5 only. If a square of a number ends with 6, the square root of that number ends with either 4 or 6. If a square of a number ends with 9, the square root of that number ends with either 3 or 7. From here we can say that perfect squares cannot end in two, 3, 7, 8. That means perfect square is a number which has the exact square root. That numbers cannot end in 2, 3, 7, 8. Perfect squares always ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. But the converse here is not true. That is, if a number ends with any of these numbers, this number may or may not be a perfect square. Suppose if we take number 481, this number ends with 1, but this is not a perfect square. Now we will see how to find square root of any number using long division method. In long division method, we divide the given number into 2 digits of each group starting from left to right. Here these 2 digits is one group. The leftover digit should be treated as a single group. That means here total there are 2 groups here. One group 49, 32 is one group. Here these 2 numbers one group, 1 group, 1 group, 1. The leftover digit should be treated as a single group. In total here there are 2 groups. The square root of this number should contain 2 digits. Here also there are 2 groups. That means the square root of this number contains 2 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here total there are 5 groups. That means that square root of this number contains 5 digits. Now let's find the square roots of this number. 529 by long division method. We first divide this group. 2 into 2, 4. 1. Next bring down the second group. 29. 2 into 2, 4. Here the last digit is 9. That means here 3 or 7 should be there. If we take 7, it is excess of 129. That means we should take 3. 43 into 3, 129. 23 is the square root of 529. 3249. First we solve this group, divide this group. 5 into 5, 25, 7, 49. 5 into 2, 10. Here the last digit is 9. That means here 3 or 7 should be there. If we take 3, 103 into 3 becomes 309. If we take 7, 107 into 7 becomes 749. That means our answer is 57. Now we will solve the square root of this number. First we divide this number. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 3. Next we bring down this group. 2 into 2, 4. 47 multiplied by 7, 7, 49. 7 into 4, 28 plus 4, 32. Remainder is 9. Next we bring down this group. 9, 90. 27 into 2, 54. 541 into 1, 541 into 1, 541, 0, 5, 4, 450. Next we bring down this group. 271 into 2, 542. Here 45. 5428 into 8, 5428. 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 2, 16, 6, 22. 8 into 4, 32, 2, 34. 8 into 5, 40, 43. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4. 0, 3, 10 minus 4, 6, 4 minus 3, 1. Next we bring down the last group. 8, 9. Here 2718 into 2, 5436. Last digit is 9. That means here 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 5436, 3 into 3. 9, 3, 6, 18. 3, 3, 9, 0. 3, 4, 12, 1, 13. 3, 5, 15, 16. 3. 163089. That means 27183 is the square root of this number. Now we will see what is the shortcut trick to find square root of a 5-digit number. Here we divide this into groups. The total there are 3 groups. Our answer will be 3 digits. Here the last digit is 4. That means the square root of this number ends with either 2 or 8. That means last digit is 2 or 8. Now observe the first 3 digits. 163. It is between 12 square and 13 square. 144, 169. Here always take the smaller number, that is 12. Our answer is either 122 or 128. Now observe the number 163. It is closer to 169. That means our answer will be the biggest number, 128. If it is closer to 144, our answer should be the smallest number, that is 122. Now we will solve this example. Here the last digit is 5. 156. It is between 12 square and 13 square. 144, 169. Now if we observe carefully, 156 is close to 144, not 169. Our answer is 125. Here the last digit is 9. That means the square root of this number ends either with 3 or 7. Now observe the first 3 digits. It is between 19 square and 20 square. 361, 400. Always take the smaller number 19 here. Our answer is either 193 or 197. Here 388 is close to 400. That means our answer is the larger number. 197 is our answer. Now we will solve this. Here the last digit is 6. That means the square root of this number ends with 6 or 4. If we observe these 3 digits, it is between 28 square and 29 square. This 784, 841. 806 is close to 784. That means our answer is the smallest number, 284. Thanks for watching this video. In the next part, we will discuss about how to find square root of imperfect numbers and decimal numbers.